Welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make chimichurri. This is an Argentine sauce. That's a mixture of parsley, green onions, a little bit of red chili, some garlic, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, and vegetable oil. It's real simple. I'm just going to chop up all my ingredients very finely, except the garlic, which I'll press, and the chili pepper, which I'll seed first. So, yeah, this will be quick, this will be simple. This is often considered one of the best sauces for steak, but we'll see whether this is better than Marchand de Vin. So, let's go ahead and get started. So we have our chopped ingredients: parsley, green onion, oregano, chili pepper, and now I have the garlic here. About equal quantities of this, about half as much of the oregano, and yeah, chili pepper and garlic to taste. So pardon the noise in the background, again, construction, etc. But there is, I've pressed the garlic in through a garlic press. I'm just going to add the rest of these ingredients in here. And to that, I will stir in approximately as much red wine vinegar as I have oregano. So it should be about that much, I think. And then I'll go for the other ingredients. Squeezing in about half as much lemon juice as I have red wine vinegar. And about twice as much vegetable oil. And now I'll stir this up. Salt and pepper to taste. I'm just going to start with just a bit of a sprinkle there, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. And a nice grinding of fresh black pepper. We'll stir this well, we'll taste it, and then we will adjust. Now, if your oregano is really weak, you might want to add a little bit of dried oregano at this point, or more of your fresh oregano. Alright, I think this is good. So, I'm going to cook a little steak to try this on, and then I will be back. And now for the taste test. So, this is actually quite a very interesting sauce. It's very tasty, very complex. You get the bright notes of acidity from the vinegar and the lime juice, along with a bit of spiciness, and it's all rounded out by the garlic and the parsley. It's very nice. I'm not going to say I prefer it over the Marchand de Vin, however, simply because to a large extent I find that this is replacing this flavor of the steak rather than accentuating it. So I think it is a delightful sauce. I would definitely use it in a lot of other contexts. I think on chicken be great, and for like just, you know, a general barbecue sauce, absolutely amazing. Definitely recommend it. So there's how you make a chimichurri. It is a great sauce. It is great on just about anything as far as I can tell. So enjoy. Now, if you find this content interesting, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, I'd love to hear from you. If you're watching on YouTube or Patreon, the recipe is in the description. So, bon appetit, and see you next week.